Once you receive your order, go ahead and lay out everything in front of you. The only tools you'll need for installation are a 17mm wrench and a 10mm socket with extension. You'll begin by removing the seat. Using the 10mm socket, begin by going underneath and removing the seat mounting bolts shown here. Once both bolts are removed, you can remove the seat from the bike. Next, using your 17mm wrench, you'll need to remove the blinkers from their locations. Begin by removing the rubber jacket as shown. You can break the nut loose using your wrench and then simply remove it by hand. Gently pull the blinker out from its mounting location, then repeat this process for the other side of the bike. Now take your rack and align it into place. The rear brackets on your rack have been carefully designed to work with the OEM features of your bike. There are slots to allow for the blinker wiring and a keyway to ensure proper alignment. Align the brackets over the blinker locations and feed the wiring through the holes as shown. Now reinstall both blinkers by reversing the process from before. At this point, the front brackets should be aligned over the seat mounting locations. Simply reinstall the seat, and while firmly pressing down with one hand, you can begin to screw in the seat mounting bolts from before. Once both bolts are installed, be sure to go back and double check that all hardware is securely fastened. Please let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching.